a really nice meal here. So that's my English breakfast, and Brian ordered egg Benedict and also my cappuccino with, oh, you can't see, happy every day. That's a very nice breakfast, and they also serve proper sausage, see, and crunchy bacon with grilled tomato, toasted French bread, and baked beans, and a nice sunny side up. That's a nice one you got there, Bri, too. That's egg Benedict. This is the beauty having a meal here. We have a beautiful view out to the sea. So we're back working.
Yeah, baby. It's all happening. Finally, yeah, we have a kitchen sink. We have water. Yay!
Connected already.
Water's connected. The drain's connected. All ready for some shelving.
And the
Shelving.
one, you're going to,
Shelving in here, and then another corner little bench, workbench, and then over here at the bar another workbench there, but that'll be like a cabinet. These are freestanding, so they're just on legs. This is more like a cabinet.
also we're going to put the fridge there in the corner.
Yeah.
The one from the house we're going to, the fridge in the house we're going to use.
Yeah.
For here.
Fridge there. There, ice machine, cool beverages, making the cocktails here, making toasted sandwiches, hot dogs,
Quick snackies.
quick snackies. People can sit out there and enjoy the bar.
Which one is this one? Oh, sorry. The top one. Wow. Looking great, right? And I can see our sign that we put the other day. Bougainvilleas are flowering madly. Also the frangipanis.
Yep. Okay. What we're using for kitchen bench tops and the cabinet bench top in here. All this looks like timber, but it's actually vinyl flooring. Clip lock clips together. We done the restaurant floor with this one, so it's rubber backed, so it stops it from slipping, cushioning, waterproof, and it's got a grain on it like timber. So it's cheap and it's ideal for finishing off around a kitchen sink area, and it's waterproof. And
Is it heat resistance too?
the only disadvantage is you can't stick something hot on
okay.
it because it's plastic.
Okay.
Well, I don't know what material it's made of, but it's a so that'll be going in here. It'll be a ply cabinet going in there with the same sort of
Material.
material on the top which is waterproof, so you'll be spilling a lot of, opening bottles and making cocktails and ice and filling drinks. So you want a wet, good area that's going to handle water, and this vinyl material handles water well.
Mm-hmm.
So it'll be a good little work area. It might be slow to start with locals might take to it, but I can see foreigners taking more to this sort of environment. Bar, pool bar. Yeah, we had a break for a while over Christmas and the New Year, and concentrated on a few other things, getting rego done and licenses and things, and having a rest and catching up with other stuff. And now we're back into it. So yeah, once this is near completed, we can start on the next project, which will be a accommodation, about 6 meters by 4 meters accommodation. Yeah, we should have this finished. What is it now? It's Friday. Sometime next week.
So we just need to get is it stool bars?
Yeah, we need some bar chairs, but
We just purchased it in town.
yeah, we can
There's
get
few furniture place there.
Yeah,
We can check out.
yeah, I can make them, but it's very time consuming, and I've got other projects to do. So.
Hello.